Hey there, I'm Darren McCosker, inviting you to come and have a look at our brand new listing in the heart of Daisy Hill. Set on 893 square metres with a sparkling swimming pool, 3-bay steel workshop, this beautifully presented 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom home is awaiting your inspection. So come with me as we take a look at 88 Daisy Hill Road. So as I stand here in this absolute retreat of a backyard with its excellent outdoor entertaining, I want to say thank you for taking the time to look through the property. On behalf of myself and my entire team, we look forward to showing you in person, but most importantly, we look forward to seeing you at the auction.